Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, our today's topic is soil pollution and its causes. So let's try and understand what is soil pollution. Soil pollution is defined as the presence of toxic chemicals, or you can say pollutants, in the soil in high enough concentrations that poses a risk to human health and to the ecosystem, or any physical or chemical change in the soil that adversely affects the growth of plants and other organisms is also referred to as soil pollution. Uh, Now let's try and understand what are the causes of soil pollution. How is it caused? It's mostly soil pollution is caused due to the anthropogenic activities. That means human activities, you can say. So there are so many human activities that lead to the contamination of the soil, which includes discharge of industrial waste into the soil. See, we have already studied in air pollution and water pollution that industries are the one of the major sources of air pollution and water pollution. Apart from causing air pollution and water pollution, industries are by far the worst polluters of the soil as well, with all the chemicals they release into the environment in liquid or in solid form, thereby contaminating the soil and leading to soil pollution. Deforestation is the another cause of soil pollution. Deforestation has an indirect effect on soil pollution. As the trees are cut down, the soil is left exposed. It's left exposed, so this soil is carried away, or it gets washed away with the water or sometimes with the wind, and thereby the land that's left behind, it remains, it becomes unproductive, or you can say it does not support vegetation since the top layer is removed. So the deforestation, you can say, in other words, it causes it leads to the soil erosion, which in turn makes soil unproductive, and thereby deteriorating the quality of the soil. Another cause of soil pollution is agricultural activities. So with the growing human population, there is a growing demand for food. So what is happening, that farmers are forced to use excessive fertilizers in order to increase their produce, and they make use of pesticides in order to get rid of insects, fungi, bacteria, etc. So the overuse of these chemicals result in the contamination and poisoning of the soil, because a lot of toxins are released into the soil. And what happens, the excessive use of inorganic nitrogenous based fertilizers, it leads to the acidification of the soil, or you can say it lowers down the pH of the soil, that makes the soil more acidic, and thereby contaminating the agricultural soil. Disposal of solid waste. Since millions of tons of solid waste is being disposed of, these wastes pose threats to the structure and the fertility of the soil, and it damages its productivity. Acid rain, another cause of soil pollution. Since you already know, acid rain is formed when the pollutants like or gaseous pollutants like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides are released into the atmosphere from factories, industries, or vehicles. So when these pollutants mix with the rain or react with the rainwater, they form acid rain. So this acid rain, when it comes down, in the form of runoff, it gets mixed up with the soil, and it lowers the pH of the soil, thereby it makes the soil acidic, and that is injurious for plant growth. Other human activities that can contaminate soil, it includes underground mining. It can cause contamination of soil with heavy metals, spillage of petrol and diesel during transportation, can contaminate soils with the hydrocarbons, because hydrocarbons are present in the petroleum. Usage of lead based paints during construction activities can also pollute the soil with hazardous concentrations of lead, that's a heavy metal. Sewage produced in urbanized areas contaminate soil if it's not disposed of correctly or properly. These wastes contain several carcinogenic substances, that means cancer causing substances. Other forms of waste that can pollute soil includes nuclear waste, that comes from nuclear plants, e-waste, that is electronic waste. Electronic waste is the waste that is generated when we discard the electronic devices like computers, mobile phones, radios, television, etc., and coal ash. So they also cause soil pollution or soil contamination. This is all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.